Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to earn passive income online, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Hostinger affiliate link step by step. Quick, simple, and foolproof. By the end, you'll have your own personalized link ready to share and start earning commissions in 2025. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner for the login button. Click on it and then enter your email and password to access your Hostinger account. This will take you directly to your user dashboard, also called the H panel. Next, from your dashboard, head over to the home section. This is where Hostinger organizes most of your tools and settings. Now, here's the important part. On the left-hand side or in the menu, look for the section labeled Refer and Earn. This is where Hostinger manages its referral and affiliate program. Go ahead and click it. You'll now land on the referral overview page. Right here, you'll see your personalized affiliate link. To get it, simply click on the copy link button. That's it. Your unique Hostinger affiliate link is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste this link anywhere, whether it's on your website, blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. Every time someone signs up through your link, you earn commissions. Pretty awesome, right? And that's how simple it is. No complicated setup, no extra approvals. Just log in, find the referral section, copy your link, and you're good to go. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. And if you're planning to grow your affiliate income, start sharing that Hostinger link today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.